I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to install the Panavise bracket using a plastic pry tool to loosen the left side of the passenger dash. There are two clips behind this panel, and if you do a little gentle prying, you can get the left clip to pop loose. A little more wiggling and pulling, the second clip will release, and then pull gently toward you, and several more clips along the top of this dash panel will loosen also. Once you've got it this far down, stop. That's about as far as we need to go. I'm going to put a folded cloth on the right side to give me a little extra room. The kit comes with 3 very pointed screws that are designed to be self-tapping in plastic. You can insert them without drilling pilot holes to save a little time, but I'm a little anal and I'm going to mark the holes and put pilot holes in just to make sure the screws don't slip out of position when I'm installing them. I'm using a 1/16 of an inch drill bit here, and I'm going to drill the top hole and give you a good view of the back of my head at the same time. Now I'll drill the second 2 holes, and you should be able to see what's going on. The Panavise instructions suggest you put some black tape under the bracket. That's so that the black paint doesn't leave any marks on the top of your dash. I think that's a good idea. I'm using my cordless drill to put the screws in just because it's handy. You could use a manual screwdriver just as easily. If you're using a powered tool, make sure you go very slowly. This plastic is thin and can strip out easily. Okay, the screws are in. Now we remove my cloth and we have to lift the dash panel back up in order to get the clips to line up. And then a couple good whacks on the front and it'll snap back into position with no problem. Now we install the second part of the bracket. It drops into pre-punched holes in the first piece. It'll be secured from the bottom by 2 832 cap nuts. These are a little tricky to install because there's not much room behind the bracket. I think I can do this fine with my right hand because I'm right-handed. Let's see how it works on the left side. Oh, how about that? That was easy. You can secure these with an 8mm nut driver and you're done. You can buy this bracket either by itself or with several options for phone holders at modified.com.